Is college important to an entrepreneur? Today, that's what we're going to be discussing because there have been a lot of debates here on YouTube, on Facebook, on across the social media platforms. I have seen people discussing, that whether school is important or not. So today we're going to discuss that. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And please remember, if you haven't subscribed just yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. Guys, okay, so I took a break. Today's my this is my first video back from my 2.5 weeks break. And over my break, it's really not now to back to school. So, the school topic is a hot subject right now. And I have my own say towards it because as an entrepreneur, I also go to school. And there'll be a lot of entrepreneurs that say, oh, school is not important, school is a waste of time. I disagree. Hear me out. Hear me out. I am gonna say, what if, the entrepreneurial world it's not an easy task in the beginning. It takes a lot of time, it takes consistency. It will probably, for a person that is not so strong in the entrepreneurial world, it will break them, right? Because it is very trying. I'm telling you, because I do this every day, right? Now, imagine a world filled with entrepreneurs. Just imagine that, right? Now, what's going to happen when you get sick? Even if you live a holistic lifestyle, you can still get sick from aging, from just, you can still get sick. The chances of you getting sick is very slim, but the possibility still stands there, right? So what if you need to go see the doctor, right? Your car, it broke down. You can't fix it. You need a mechanic. You need an electrician that does electrical work on cars and stuff like that. So the entrepreneurial world is not for everyone. So with school provides that base for what you're going to practice in the real world. Now listen, hear me out. See, the school does like excessive training, right? In stuff that has nothing to do with your field, right? So say for example, I want to become a doctor. Let's just say that. They're going to teach me a whole bunch of stuff along with what I need to learn in the medical field, right? So yeah, there's some things in school that they teach that are excessive, but just take the good with the bad. And I want to say, even as an entrepreneur, you go to masterminds, you go to stuff like that. That could be considered school because you're learning. You're learning something. You go there to learn something, right? You go there, to socialize with people, meet new people or whatnot, but you also go there to learn, right? So as an entrepreneur, I'm in college. I'll be back Wednesday. Not looking forward to it because it's going to be a whole lot more added stress. But I'm working towards an end game, right? I'm working towards, learning skills that will help me as an entrepreneur, right? My writing skills. I'm terrible at doing email marketing. It will help me with that, right? So school is important. It is, whether you're going to be an entrepreneur or not, it is important. That's in my opinion because it works for me. There are some people school doesn't work for them. I understand, but do not bash it and say it's not important, right? It's just not important for you. But there are other people out there that will not be entrepreneurs, and that you as an entrepreneur is going to need them, right? So we help each other in the process. Listen, I don't want everybody that is watching this video right now to be an entrepreneur because, you know, they think that's the way to go. No, I want you to be an entrepreneur because that's your calling, because that's what you want to do. It got to be a passion. You got to have a love for this, guys. You got to have a love for this for you to be successful at this. You can't just say, oh yeah, this is the way to go, so let me try it out. No. You have to have that passion. And even on days when you don't feel like doing anything, you got to do something. Because in the beginning is the most important part. And even in the mid-year, after you've been doing it for years, it still requires some work, right? Guys, if you're interested in becoming an entrepreneur, hit the link down below. It's an affiliate link. That's what I do. So if you want to learn what I do, if you want to learn how to make money on Facebook, if you want to learn how to make money on Instagram, if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, hit the link below. It will be in the description. It's my recommended. It's a link that the affiliate program that I recommend because I use it and it works for me. Don't bash it before you try it. So if you try that link that I've provided and you've watched my previous videos, because I've done a whole bunch of video based, on just how to bank off the internet. If you follow my protocols and my strategies and those procedures in my previous videos, you will have no issue banking off the internet. None at all. Your success or your failure is all up to you. How well you do in the online world, it's up to you. The end game is up to you. Nobody else. It's all on you. So that's where I'll leave it off for today. I just wanted to address that school issue because a lot of people out here bashing the schools. And as an entrepreneur, I refuse to because it helps me. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed just yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Share this video with a family or friend who you think they could get some form of value from it. Please share it. And if the video has been shared with you, thank you for watching. Also, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. My Facebook link is also provided in the description if you want to hop on Facebook with me. It's always a party over there. I'm the fun entrepreneur, somewhat. I'm also a soldier, so you could pick up tad bits here and there from my Facebook page. Probably have me ranting or something. I don't know. But guys, the time is now. The time is now. If you're watching this video, it's your time now. It's time for you to take action to create that residual income or that passive income, or, just take that next step in life. Thanks again for watching my video. And I will see you on my next video, which is tomorrow. Bye.